Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Suburban, and today I'm going to show you how to open your hood. So here from the driver's side, we're going to go down. You should see a little lever here with a little resistance. The top, if you could hear it, was a safety release up there for the latch. But otherwise, yeah, there should be like a little cord here with some tension that runs up to a line all the way up to the front. That's not tight, you might need to address that. Or not connected for sure, there's an issue. Most vehicles you're going to find a lever right around the middle. So this lever, it's right here. So I'm going to push it this way and then lift. That's it. And just has some hydraulic lifts holding it up. This is what this side looks like. And this is that lever I just released. So there and then up. But that should be what it looks like. If you're having issues, you might need some WD-40 in here. Maybe make sure everything's tight and straight. Make sure your hood's aligned properly. But that's it. Hope this is helpful. Hope you have a great day.